And I'm going to tell you, well, say stuff about my cats. They're really nice as well. You should really like them. So that's Tigger. Oh, he's a really nice cat. See, look at him. He's really fluffy. Oh, why did you go straight into it? Yeah, he is a nice cat and stuff. You just wish you really want to wish you had this cat. He's so nice, really fluffy as well. And you see all this, you see all that's going in the air. Right, bye, Tigger. Alright, just Tigger. No, Sandy. Nope. Sandy. Nope. Sounds kind of cool, actually. Tigger. Sandy must be in here. Sandy. Is he in there? Nope. He's not. Oh, fine. Just like a little doll on that. Oh God! You scared me. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm buying a toilet.
Oh, thanks. I was just doing a video as well. Wow. Seriously, buddy. Tigger! Sandy! Where are you? Yeah, I can't find him, guys. I don't know why. He's got there. He's got there. It can't be. I've checked it everywhere for him. He's got to be down here. Ouch. I just hurt myself. Can you see that? Oh, I think he's gone. Yeah, can you see him? He's... that wasn't me, that was just him going straight into it. But again. Where is he? Sorry, have you seen Sandy? Great. Wow, can't find him. So not good.
Friday at 5:30 and
Oh, you've got him.
Where now?
Get off him. I'm trying to do a video of the cat and you're on him. That's Sandy. Well.
Oh, also, I was playing Metro the other day, haven't you?
What's that?
Metro.
What's that?
You know what Metro is?
Metro last night.
Yeah.
Go away.
Deleted it.
You don't need it.
I've got the YouTube as
On my account.
Yeah.
Cool.
Just mean I haven't done anything to it. I've been playing Black Ops and we've just finished the Mob of the Dead campaign. I mean the Mob of the Dead Easter egg.
You haven't.
Yeah, we've just done it.
So how do you go straight? Take her go straight into it. Well,